It's time for a queen cuisine. Don't forget, wash your chicken. Chop your vegetables. Now, I'm going to be putting together peppers, broccoli, garlic paste, ranch seasoning package, cream cheese and sharp cheddar cheese, garlic powder, parsley, and black pepper. Now, I'm cutting pockets in the chicken so I can stuff my mixture. Okay, make sure you mix everything very, very good together, okay? This is the peppers, broccoli, garlic paste, ranch seasoning, cream cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, garlic powder, and parsley I was talking about. Once you get all mixed, you can put that to the side. Next is to season the chicken. Please season both sides of the chicken. You need minced garlic, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, and parsley. Next, stuff the chicken with toothpicks. The toothpicks will hold the chicken in place. You do have your rice. The rice is very simple. All you need is butter and some Italian seasoning. Don't forget, for every cup of rice, there's a cup of water too. Cook the chicken 400 for 15 minutes with aluminum foil on top. This is what it looks like after you remove the aluminum foil. Place some butter slices on top and then cook it some more. You're going to want to cook it some more for an additional 15 minutes. If you really, really want to get crispy, how I like it, put it on broil for like 2 to 3 minutes and voila. This is what you'll see. Some tasty, good old cheesy stuffed chicken, broccoli, and jasmine rice. It will have your mouth saying, "Mwah, Queen Cuisine." Aha.